You added cacheable, and after you think how can you test it. First, what you can think is mocking the cache manager. In that case, you're testing your mock, not your integration. In this video, we will test the real interaction between Spring and the real Redis server. Here is integration test that proves your cache actually works. So let's start from dependencies. You need Spring Boot starter test, JUnit Jupyter, and Testcontainers Redis artifact. The next step is using Testcontainers on your class. Then define a generic container for Redis. This spins up a real Redis Docker container for your test. It lives and dies with your test. After should be configured the dynamic property source that connects your Spring application to the test container. It dynamically sets the host and port properties, so don't need to add them to properties file. The next step is, inside the test logic, we don't mock the service. We spy on it using Mockito spy bin. This lets us call the real method while still tracking its invocations. Let's look at the test logic. This test will call the service method first time. It must execute the real code and log fetching product with ID from the slug backend. Then it will be called again with the same ID, and it must hit the cache and return the value instantly without executing the method body. To prove it, we verify the getProductById called exactly one time. Let me run the test to see the result. Now, after first call, we see database hit. And after second call, we can see the cache hit. The verified line confirms it. This test proves that caching strategy works in an environment that mirrors production, which is reliable and fast. If you found this helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more production-ready tips to reduce bugs in your apps.